Hey guys, this is a crash course on Chat GPT. And since we're talking about artificial intelligence or this huge new technology, I decided to use this avatar for fun. All right, so let's get started. So, first of all, what is Chat GPT? Well, Chat GPT is a language model developed by a company called OpenAI. It's a pre-trained model that can generate human-like text based on input it receives. What does that mean? When you go to Google and search for things, you go and type a search term, and then it gives you all those links, and you start clicking on the links, trying to hoping that you will find what you're looking for. This is the new future of search engines. This is part of it. And why do I say that? You can literally go and ask it a question in a human like text, and it'll answer you and gives you a perfect answer in a human like answer. And we'll see all that. But first of all, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for it and how to get started with it. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and this is the company that created it. It's called OpenAI. You click on it, you will go to this website, which is openai.com. You'll click on try, and you'll come into this page. It'll ask you to either log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you simply click on sign up. Now you can log in with your Google account or your Microsoft account, which is really easier. But if you'd rather provide an email address, you can provide your email address, click on continue. It'll ask you for your first and last name and your cell phone number. It'll send you a text message for verification, and you're in. Basically, that's the sign up process. Once you're signed up, it'll log you in and you'll come to this website. So before we get started, let's just read a couple of things here. It says it has ChatGPT has limited knowledge of world events after 2021. So, it's still under research mode. It's still free, luckily, but I promise you, pretty soon it's not going to be free. It's going to be paid because it's a huge bank of information and it's really easy to use. It is trained to decline inappropriate requests. It remembers what users said earlier in the conversation, which I'm going to show you in some examples here. So let's get started. So that's what it is. You have dark mode and undark mode for those who prefer a dark mode. I'll go with this light mode. So we can start by asking it things for fun. Let's ask it to give us a joke. Give me a joke. Why was my math book sad? It had too many problems. That's really funny. All right, so let's ask it for a riddle. Give me a riddle. What starts with an E, ends with an E, but only contains one letter? I don't know. Let's ask it for the answer, and that's what I'm talking about. Now you're following up with it, asking it a follow-up question. What is the answer? And now it's talking back to you and giving you the answer. That's just the beginning. It's a simple example of how can you chat with it and get an answer back to what you ask. Let's ask it more complicated things. I'll ask it in a couple of different fields, but let's start with IT, information technology. Let's start by saying, let's say you're an Office 365 admin and your manager asked you to pull or export all licensed users from the tenant. You go to Google, and trust me, I've been there. You go to Google and start typing, I need a PowerShell command to actually export those users. And you'll get tons of links and you'll start clicking. You'll spend half hour to an hour searching for a workable link or shell script that would work. So let's try it here. PowerShell command. All right, maybe it's taking it as 2 words. PowerShell command to export users or licensed users. From Office 365. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, so as you can see, it started writing the PowerShell command, and I actually tested this command and it works. As you can see, it's exporting the users, and it's saying if the user is licensed, it equals true, select and display, and it's giving you what you need to do, explaining the whole thing. That's just wonderful. Oh, let's try something else also in IT. Let's tell it in Java. In Java, give me a code to fetch the weather in Ireland. Let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it starts giving me this code. It's wonderful. I would spend at least a half hour to an hour, and that's if I found the answer to this on Google. So I call it the future of search engines. I'm not saying Google is not good or it's not going to be used, but that's just a lot easier. It's the convenience, guys. That's what makes business, more successful, is providing the convenience. So you can stop generating this, and you can ask with a follow-up question. I'm not going to ask it now, but you can say, well, change it from Java to C#, for example, and it'll actually give you the code. Let's go to a business idea, and let's say I'm trying to generate a statement of work for a project. So we'll start with a statement of work for, and let's say you're trying to upgrade. Let's stick with the IT. Let's say we need a statement of work to upgrade for upgrading server 2012 to 2019. Now this applies to everything. If you are given a statement of work to upgrade furniture or to move furniture or maybe to purchase something, you would just type it and hit enter. And let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it started typing a very professional SOW. It's giving you the scope. Even I can't write a perfect SOW like this, even if I tried. So let's ask it to give me a viral YouTube video idea. Let's see what it comes up with. It says it could be a 24 hours challenge in a unique location situation, blah, blah. You can ask it to give you one more, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, it's a wealth of information. Now with this wealth of information comes the opportunity, especially for early birds, to actually make money. Utilize this new tool to generate income online. With that being said, this is a crash course. I'm going to end this video here, but I am planning to create a series of videos that will show you how to benefit from this new technology and generate some income that's online and decent. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you soon in the next video.